1, 2, 3, go. Hi! We're new from YouTube and we're gonna review new things that we found
on National
craft store. This is Super Dough.
and
They said that it's air hardening, no baking required, super lightweight, very elastic, bounces like a rubber ball, completely color mixable, combines well with other modeling materials, can be painted when wet or dry, gluten-free and allergenics-free, water-based colors don't fade. Before use, sprinkle a few drops of water on the little hand super dough to moisten if dry. Knead well for a few minutes to regain elasticity. How to reuse the finished art. Break the art pieces into small pieces, add little water and keep in sealed container for 3 days. Knead well to regain elasticity. Recommended drying time 2 to 24 hours depending on the shape, size, and weight.
and
So
we're gonna try
there's two color, orange and yellow.
let's try.
Let's see. I hate doing new things from something that is
It's fluffy.
so fluffy.
Look.
Let's try how does it stretch. Ooh. When you do it fast, it stretch longer. When you do it so slow,
Look.
it's super fast. When
And
you stretch it fast, it's steer.
and we're gonna try.
If it really does bounces like a ball. So
Let's try.
here, let them on.
Ready.
Ready, go. Get my
Look.
It does bounces like a ball.
It's work.
Let's try a higher place. Wait, let me get mine. Sorry. Okay. It smells weird.
It smells like a
Rotten.
no, no. Like a mosquito spray.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
that's it.
That's it. And next is
Next item.
this.
The magic worm Wacky. Make him come alive. It's a magic trick. Top secret instruction included.
And we're open.
Let's open it. Instructions.
This is the instruction.
It's upside down. Instructions. Secret. A thin invisible string is attached to the Wacky. Don't tell anyone. It's a secret. Well, we're going to video this. Now, it is not a secret. Just to the nose of Wacky and you are ready. The thin invisible string is attached with one end to the nose of the worm and the other end around the piece of the cardboard. Unwind about 1 foot 30 centimeter of string from the cardboard. Place the small piece of cardboard behind the buckle of your belt. Now push the strings from side to side with your hands to make the worm move. Place the worm in empty dry glass. When you lift it up, the worm will outcome. Wrap the invisible string around ball pen a few times and lift it up to make the worm crawl around the pencil. It is more fun to play with it if you don't let anyone know you have an invisible string. Don't get wacky wet as he will not work anymore. And don't keep him in your pocket for too long as he will get flat. Okay.
That is distraction. And she read it
Yeah.
very long. This looks so fluffy. And I don't know it's a worm or
It says it's a worm, so
it's worm. It's a worm.
take it that way.
And we try to how this thing
I have mine.
really works.
In my pocket.
Okay, let's try.
Oh, the string. Can
There.
you see the string?
And
There. There.
that is the string and
The invisible string.
look what's happened.
They said you can put it the cardboard you can put it on your
She
pocket
likes.
too.
Look.
He said you can put it in your pocket like that and
Just like this.
move quickly your hands or like that.
Like
You do that.
she's so very fluffy.
And you can put each string on your hand and you will cross. But the problem is her nose or his nose. Its nose.
Or his mouth.
I think it's a nose and a mouth. They said nose. When you put it in each hole of your hand, it goes like that and it stops. So that's it.
And
Next item. Ano naman?
this.
They said it is a fuzzy wire. We only have this. I think we only have this in the other.
With that, I want the color. I like this pink. Sorry. This pink, and we're gonna
Make it
like a ring, and look how
bracelet. Yeah. We're gonna make it a bracelet.
I'm gonna make a ring. Here and around.
We're gonna make a ring.
That's it. A ring.
Gonna make an infinity
Look.
sign.
So wedding ring with the diamond or gem. She gonna
Infinity sign.
infinity sign. Look,
Yeah.
that's it.